Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Miriam. I cover DIY videos, home decor, and lifestyle. In today's video, I'm doing the Look for Less challenge again, which is hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door, and her co-host for this month is Nicole, so make sure you guys check them both out. I have the link to their channels in the description box below. And for today's Look for Less challenge, I am going to be doing this end table that I saw in the Raymore and Flanagan book. I was looking through this book like a couple of weeks ago, and I noticed this table and I thought it was so cute. I thought it was the cutest table. But do y'all see that price? Like, I don't know why it's so much. So I decided to remake this for a lot less than what they were selling it for. I got the hula hoops from Walmart. I got the table, the shelves that I'm going to be using, the wood cutouts from Lowe's, and then I got the dowels that I'm going to be using at the bottom of the table. I got those from Walmart, and I got my wallpaper, or contact paper you may call it. I got my contact paper from Lowe's as well, and my screws I already had, and the drill I already had. To start the project, I bought 2 hula hoops and spray painted them both gold and waited for it to dry. Alright, so this is what the hula hoop looks like after it's dry. I then started to align the 2 wood that I bought, the 2 wood pieces that's going to be the shelf. I lined it up using the lines on my floor to make sure that it was straight and aligned, because I did not want it to be crooked. So I'm going to line that up right now before I put the hula hoops on top of it to gauge where I'm going to screw it in. So I'm now going to place the hula hoop just to see where they meet and where I'm going to have to attach the hula hoop to the wood. Since this is the screw that I'm using, when you drill in, you just make sure that you go far enough so the whole screw can fit in here. So now that I have the hole, and I know that I have to go in up until like about here, you can put like tape if you want to make sure, you want to be precise, but I'm just gonna roll it. So I'm gonna go in, try to go in a little bit more. Finally got a routine on how to put these on like properly without messing up your paper or wasting paper. So after I did the first one, I learned I wanted to come on here and show you guys how to do it so you don't waste your paper. So basically I'm just wrapping this paper, taking it, measuring how just a little bit to go on the bottom to wrap under. It's enough to cover the top, so I'm going to go up a little bit, okay, and then holding it with my hand, and then on the back of it there are lines, so you literally can just cut down, so your cut can be precise and straight. So I'm just going to cut down the line. what this looks like. I didn't do the back for the second one because it's not going to show. However, for the first one, I did do all around. Just say no. It's your option. I decided to just do one side for this one. The way it's gonna lay, it's not gonna show. Alright, so I have them lined up straight, aligned where they're supposed to be. I'm using the lines on my floor to align them. And you guys saw I previously drilled holes in the hula hoop, so I'm gonna align the holes that I originally drilled with these, and I'm gonna use my screw. Screw it in. I'm gonna screw it in. I done flipped it over. Now you're gonna add your second hula hoop right on top like this, and you're gonna repeat the same steps to drill it in and screw it in. Okay, you guys, so here's how my table turned out. I put some decorative items on it just so you guys can get an idea of how it will look when you design it. So some things that I want to point out is, one thing I learned when I was doing this is definitely spray paint after you screwed it in, because I noticed that as I was trying to screw the wood pieces onto the actual hula hoop, that the spray paint was chipping off a little bit. So you might have to go in and spray paint it a little bit more just to cover those parts. You guys do see my dowels at the bottom. That's what I decided to use to hold it up, and plus I didn't want the spray paint to mess up the hardwood floor. So that's something you can do. You can hot glue it. I didn't hot glue it. I basically just slid it on the bottom and just to hold it put. So that's something you can do. It's up to you. But you guys, let me know what you think of this project, and if you're gonna try it, let me know how it turns out for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.